How to use ticket tool on Discord. So hi guys, the first thing that we're going to do is to simply open our browser and go to tickettool.xyz. Once you're routed to the page, you will be able to see this option. Click on invite ticket tool. Alright, once you've clicked on that one, simply authorize linking Discord, or first choose a server that you want to link. So here, let's go to our server and continue. Now, simply click on the authorize button right here. And then there you have it. It has been authorized in your Discord account. Now, let's try to first tick on the box just to confirm that we are human and not bots. Once done, you can actually go back to your Discord. However, let's refresh the system and we're going to log in to our ticket tool account. So let's refresh this system first. By the way guys, ticket tool is a bot that helps you with your concerns or helps you create tickets. So here, let's log in and then simply authorize linking your Discord to ticket tool. Once done, you will be routed to the page. You will see two options right here, servers with ticket tool and servers without ticket tool. So here, let's click on the one with ticket tool and click on manage. Now, once we've managed, go to the left-hand corner. In there, you can actually see panel configs. Click on it. And then simply create a panel by clicking on the button right here. Okay, so let's try inputting it here first. As you can see, it doesn't work. So let's add the plus button or the green button right here and add a ticket name. So I will place tickets need help and simply create. Now, once done, we're going to go down here in the frequently used configs, and in here I chose ticket tool, as well as in the other section we're going to use text channels. Now here, I'm going to simply add everyone as well. And once done, let's save the changes. Alright. Before sending, let's save the changes first. Simply click on this green button right here and hit on send afterwards. Now, click or choose a sound panel or send panel to. So I'm gonna choose ticket tool. And there you have it. Now let's check on our Discord. So there, in our ticket tool, we can see our ticket tool has been added. Let's create a ticket. So there, you have created a ticket. That's about it for today's video, guys. Hope you find this helpful and thank you so much for watching.